Good afternoon, students. Last class we all studied functions of commercial bank. The three main functions is commercial bank, primary function and secondary function and other function. The primary function is demand deposit and time deposits and advancing loan. Demand deposit means deposits can be withdrawn individuals without any prior notice into the bank. Anytime you draw your cash, ATM card or debit card, or issue check at bank to counter. Anytime your amount withdraw, that is demand deposit. Time deposit means certain commitments of the period of the time. Bank pay in higher interest of time deposit. The specific period only you withdraw your cash. A specific period or specific gap time, year, that period only you withdraw your cash. Next one. Today one important topic is secondary function. Secondary function. The secondary functions can be classified under three heads, namely agency function, general utility function, and other function. Secondary is mainly three heads in agency function, general utility function, and other function. The agency function, agency means customers. Agency is customers. Okay, listen students, agency function, first one. It implies that commercial bank act as a agent of customers by performing various functions. Agent means what? Some customers by performing by various functions. Customers. First one, collecting check. Bank collect check and bills exchange on behalf of the customers through clearing house facilities and provided by central bank. Central bank collecting check, bill on behalf of the customers is one main function. Second one, collecting income. Commercial bank collecting dividends, pension, salaries, rent, and interest. And investment on behalf of their customer. A credit voucher to send to the customer for information when any income is collected by bank. Some credit vouchers. Many banks bank insurance premium, rent, EB bill, some collections work. By receiving the amount, bank issued in credit voucher. Next one, paying expense. Commercial banks make the payment of various obligations of customers and such telephone bill, insurance premium, school fees, and rent, similar to credit voucher, a debit vouchers to send to the customers for information when a expense are paid by bank. This premium, telephone bill, and school fee, rent, some banks is some collecting some commissions. Customers collecting some commissions. Next one, general utility function. It implies that commercial banks provide some utility service to customers by performing various functions. First one, providing locker facilities. So many banks, government banks, in totally 20 banks is a nationalized bank. The 20 banks is most of commercial banks, customers providing facility in locker facilities. The commercial banks provide a locker facilities to the customers for safe custody. Custody means some security place. Security place or safety place. That place only is called custody of jewelry, shares, debentures, and other valuable items. This minimizes the risk of the loss due to theft at home. Minimize the risk of loss due to the theft at home. Some safety only. Bank is providing locker facilities. Banks are not responsible for the items in locker, but bank is that goods full responsible or not responsible for the bank locker. Next one, issuing traveler checks. The olden days, one place to another place, one country to another country, is most of the liquid cash only is traveling. But nowadays, traveling check is bank is provided some traveling check. Bank issued travel checks to individuals for traveling outside the country. Travelers check are the safe and easy way to protect money while traveling. Listen, students, the traveler check are safe and easy to protect money while traveling. Protect the money. Traveling check is main basic function is protect while protect money. Next one, dealing in foreign exchange. Dealing in foreign exchange. Foreign exchange means first is information to dealing permission is first in central bank. Foreign, our country means same currency only, but foreign country means you compulsory you permission of the central bank. Commercial bank helps to providing a foreign exchange to businessman dealing export and import. However, a commercial bank needs to take the permission of central bank. Import and export means permission in central bank for dealing in foreign exchange. Central bank or RBI is the same only. Central bank or RBI. RBI means what? Reserve Bank of India. Reserve Bank of India. The first Bank of India was Hindustan. The first Bank of India was Bank of Hindustan. Bank of Hindustan. The year of 1770. 1770. Under the British rule. Under the British rule. Next one, transferring fund. Next one is transferring fund. It is refers to the transferring fund from one bank to another bank. Transfer means one bank to another bank. One person is Indian bank, some cash is deposit in saving account in 25 lakhs means suddenly you suddenly some any purpose or some official work means you transfer the amount one bank to another bank. Transferred by means draft, telephonic transfer and electronic transfer. Nowadays the electronic transfer is more electronic transfers in ePay, PhonePe, GPay. Most of banks in available in telephone or phone only. That electronic transfer. Next one, letter on credit. Some commercial bank issue a letter of credit to the customer to satisfy there is credit worthiness. Some banks is here, some person is regularly 5 years, 10 years means long duration is 5 years or 10 years, means you properly you settle your bank credit, your loan amount, means next time bank you are providing in credit worthing credit worthiness letter. That letter is used to next another bank submit to provide helpful of another loan. Next one, underwriting securities. Next one is underwriting securities. Commercial bank issued a letter of credit to their customers to satisfy the credit worthiness. Listen, next one is underwriting securities. Commercial bank also undertake the task of underwriting securities as a public has full faith in credit worthiness. A bank publish do not hesitate by buying the securities underwriting by bank. Some bank is underwriting securities. Most of the bank security under security bill, bond paper is issuing. Banks is underwriting the security, means say public customers is first you feel only security, means most of the bank is security papers is selling. Security papers means some one paper is 25,000 or 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakhs, means is next 5 years. After 5 years submit the paper, you receiving in 5 lakhs plus most interest, you profit only. That is underwriting security. Most of the bank issuing in underwriting security paper. Next one, electronic banking. It is include service such as debit cards and credit cards and internet banking. Today, nowadays, if most 90% person is using only in internet banking only. Internet banking only plus credit card also. Most of the person credit card. The internet banking is most of the person is Google Pay, Phone Pay, different methods of paying in net banking. Next one is other function. Next one is other function. Money supply. Some money supply means any critical situation, flood affected or earthquake, some any one problem government is that time only printing in currency. Printing in currency. It is refers to one of the important function is commercial bank, the help of increasing money supply. Increasing money supply. For instance, bank is 5 lakh. One person bank is provided 5 lakh rupees provided, means automatically that person capital is automatically increase. Capital increasing means protection automatically increase. Protection increase means profit already. Same way profit also increase. Capital increase, production increase, automatically profit also increase. That method is so many banks is following. That time not printing or the public is money currency is a liquid cash is most of the person is having in liquid cash. The demand deposit the name of the individual. The bank may say credit entry of 5 lakhs in that account. This leads to creation demand deposit in the account. The point to be not the point to be noted here is that there is no payment in cash. Thus, without printing additional money, The supply of money increase automatically. Is bank is provided more loan provided means automatically money supply increase. Some person say some initial amount deposit in our bank only provided in loan. Some banks that condition following, but bank provided in more loans mean automatically money supply increase. Automatically money supply increase. Next one, credit creation. Credit creations means the multiplications of loans and advance. Commercial bank received a deposit from the public and used these deposits to give the loan However, the loan offered any or many times of more than deposits received by bank. The functions of bank is known as a credit creations. Commercial bank received in more deposits and creating more, increasing the rate of interest. Rate of interest is increasing means automatically public deposit automatically increase. Rate of the interest decreasing means automatic deposit level is reduced. The commercial bank is most of customer awareness program and most creating in new deposits and new bank loans and created. Next one, collections of statistics. The bank collected publishes statistics relating trade, commerce, and industry and agriculture. Hence, they are advise customers and the public authorities on financial matter. The collections of statistics, the RBI or central bank, most of the industry sector and agriculture sector collecting in so many field in datas in release in statistics in RBI. Some statistics or population growth or unemployment or poverty or infrastructure facilities is present level in published in which bank? Central bank in or RBI. Some advices, some financial institutions, some advice in commercial banks, some advice on some advising, some seminars conducted in RBI. Okay, students, today one important function is what? Secondary function. Secondary functions is agency functions. Agencies means customers collecting check and collecting income. Next one, paying expense. Second heading is general utility, providing locker facilities, issuing traveling check, dealing in foreign exchange. Next one, transferring fund, letter of credit. Next one, underwriting securities. Listen students, underwriting securities. Underwriting security is asset oriented content. Asset oriented underwriting means some bond papers in sale in some government banks in sale in bonds paper. That bond paper is you invest in 25 lakhs or 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs, you pay that bond paper. After 15 or after 10 years, you submit more profitable paper, profitable income. That is a underwriting securities. Next one, electronic bag. Other functions is many other functions, money supply and credit creations and collections of their statistics. Some statistics means some data is published by sources of RBI, released by central bank. Sources of some lost one word in that last line. Okay, student, this one is important 5-mark question. Listen, student, 12th standard every day. Each one topic. That day itself you thorough. Your next day you postpone means your work, your reading burden is heavy only. You only affected. That day means that day in that topic over. That day you thorough. Okay, student, next one day we will discuss next one new topic. Okay, thank you, students.